ऑनलाइन स्पोकन हिंदी कोर्स संवाद। वाक्य विचार। Namaste. In this video, we will learn about the formation of sentences in Hindi. वाक्य और sentences are very useful to communicate messages and to express ideas. Now we will see how a vakya or sentence is formed. Suppose, looking a bus, a boy says, bus. It does not give the complete sense of a sentence because he is missing the vidhe, that is predicate here. Just think, what will it mean when he says aa rahi hai? It also does not make a complete sentence because in this sentence subject, that is karta, is missing. But when the boy will say bus aa rahi hai, the sentence will be complete sentence. वाक्य के अवयव। In a पूर्ण हिंदी वाक्य or complete Hindi sentence, there are two parts. The first one is uddeshya or subject, which may be person, place or thing. And the second one is vidhe or predicate, which gives information about subject. Vidhe or predicate has two parts. First one is karm or object, and the second one is kriya or verb. वाक्य संरचना। In Hindi sentences, the object comes before the verb. But in English sentences, the verb comes before the object. We can make many sentences in Hindi using karta, verb and kriya. Now take an example. Bharat mera desh hai. In this sentence, Bharat is karta, mera desh is verb and hai is kriya. Now let's make another sentence in Hindi. Shyam football khelta hai. In this sentence, Shyam is karta, football is verb and khelta hai is kriya. One more example of such a Hindi sentence is गाय मीठा दूध देती है. In this sentence, गाय is karta, मीठा दूध is verb and देती है is kriya. मोहन बांसुरी बजाता है. In this sentence, Mohan is karta, बांसुरी is verb and बजाता है is क्रिया. The next example is निखिल पुस्तक खरीद रहा था. In this example, निखिल is कर्ता, पुस्तक is कर्म and खरीद रहा था is क्रिया. The next one is राजू फल बेचता है. In this example, Raju is कर्ता, फल is कर्म and बेचता है is क्रिया. Let's see one more example. खरगोश ने गाजर खाया. In this sentence, खरगोश is कर्ता, गाजर is कर्म and खाया is क्रिया. Evaluate yourself. Arrange कर्ता, कर्म and क्रिया in correct order. देती है गाय दूध. The right answer is गाय दूध देती है. भारतीय है हम सभी. The correct sentence is हम सभी भारतीय हैं. Match उद्देश्य and विधेय and make Hindi sentences. किसान, शिक्षक, माली फूलों को सींचता है, खेत में काम करता है, पढ़ाता है. किसान खेत में काम करता है, शिक्षक पढ़ाता है, माली फूलों को सींचता है. Point out predicate, that is vidhe, part from the sentences. शेर गुफा में रहता है. The विधेय part of the sentence is गुफा में रहता है. राजा ने मंत्री को बुलाया. The विधेय part of the sentence is मंत्री को बुलाया. भोजन बना रही है। The विधेय part of the sentence is भोजन बना रही है। Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. श्याम मेरा भाई है। मेरी माँ एक आदर्श महिला है। मोर जंगल में नाचता है। Pick out the correct option of complete Hindi sentence. है गाय काली, है काली गाय, गाय काली है, गाय है काली। The correct sentence is गाय काली है। किताब है पढ़ रही लड़की, लड़की किताब पढ़ रही है, पढ़ रही है लड़की किताब, लड़की पढ़ रही है किताब। The correct sentence is लड़की किताब पढ़ रही है।